Starbucks is so good.
Why'd you get... You didn't pay for it.
She put it back. It tastes the same. Behave. Give him 5. High five. She does a fantastic job. Hello everyone. Hi today.
We just got some Starbucks.
Yes, we just came from Starbucks.
Yeah, I thought you ain't
and
talking
got some
about it because
drinks.
your stuff is small. No, we ain't making it. You got the orange one contracted.
It does not matter the size. If it was any bigger, she probably wouldn't
Look
drink
what
it.
I have. Yeah, what?
And Malia has a slushie.
I had nothing.
Sit back, sit back, sit back. Kids all had their money to spend today.
I just spent it.
Well, Dominic didn't spend his money. And
you can get
I did. Of course, everybody indulged in something.
Thank you, Malia. I enjoyed my money.
This s'mores Starbucks is so good. This drink from Starbucks. This
We got
s'mores,
the same twinsy.
the s'mores Frappuccino is so good. Sit back.
My her cup is bigger than yours.
Come on, let's go.
I don't care.
Stop turning that heat on back there. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Wait, is this YouTube?
Sit down. Yes, it's YouTube. They get confused because sometimes I glide and sometimes I make videos for YouTube. Madison, you about to get in trouble.
Whooping time.
But we are at Trader Joe's and I'm about to go in here and pick up a couple of things that I really like for dinner tonight. Hopefully everything runs smooth.
Mario, why'd you give that to her?
I keep looking at myself.
Mario, you wasn't even supposed to eat that.
Eat what?
Those two, give me those.
Why?
Those for me. Give me both of them.
Okay. Why she can't have one?
Because me and Malia were sharing that, and Amaya got that, and I had nothing.
Hold on, Madison. How long Madison been out that seat? Did y'all just take her out her seatbelt?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's not even yours, Dominic. You didn't pay for it.
Well, she gave it to me.
Keep getting in the way.
Didn't you, Malia?
I need to delete some stuff on my camera because I'm running out of video space.
Ah, and he didn't give you. And he didn't.
All right, let's get in this store so we can get out.
Did he?
Nope. Well, had you been nice to her?
We gotta make it quick because I don't want to bring my drink in.
Out.
Can y'all be quiet? Y'all making too much noise.
I want to be
playing.
Taekwondo, Mommy.
Huh?
I want to be Taekwondo so I can punch somebody.
She just drank some of your drink. She just drank some. It was good, Madison. Was it good? It was nasty?
Let me tell you. I want to taste.
What did it taste like? She said.
I want to taste yours.
And she put it back. It tastes the same.
But I never taste.
Minnie, you see Minnie on Mommy's shirt?
Amazing.
Girl, you got candy all on your nose. No, you're not getting none of my drink. Move back, Malia. Come on, move back.
And I could buy me something for me.
Okay, we back to go in the store real quick.
Bye-bye.
What you mean, bye-bye? You trying to drive?
Can I get a haircut in here, Mommy? Can I?
Going in the store. What are y'all doing?
Sing that song about Wanda.
Like, who?
Hi, my name is Wanda. You're such a hottie. Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Who sings that?
Huh? Okay. You know what it's called.
Move back. Let me get some juice.
Maybe, but the remix.
No, I don't want that one. I really do want this apple grape juice. Put this in the cart.
Okay.
And I'm going to get a lemonade. Here. Madison, what's the matter? You thirsty? Go get her some juice, Dominic. All the free samples the kids like. Walk. Yes, they should feel that way. Peek-a-boo.
Hey, tell your sister you're sorry. You just clocked her in the face.
Thank you. They needed that. That little scare.
Of
Here.
me?
Yes.
It should be. I have a criminal record.
Do you know what that even means?
Trader Joe's does it. Yeah. Fresh out the joint. I got a Kenny G CD and a job at Trader Joe's.
No, you're going to spill it. Here, let me give it to you. What juice is this anyway?
It is all organic tea and lemonade.
I found the monkey.
Okay. You found a monkey where?
We don't have a monkey, bro. It's a giraffe.
So you didn't find a
That's
monkey?
Sorry. It's not a monkey.
There's a monkey here in the store. When you find it,
Those are all lies propagated by the media to get you to believe that there's monkey in the store that you might find and get lost about. All right.
Where?
Good job.
Where do you see the monkey?
Good job.
All the way up there? How did you see that monkey?
Hey, Disco Star, get over here and get you a lollipop. I thought you were going to take the whole thing.
Are you done drinking? Sure. You want one?
I got her one.
Say
Good
thank
job.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are we all going to behave for Mom today? That's the real question.
Right.
That's the most important task of the day. Are you going to behave for Mom? Are you going to behave?
Are you going to behave? She's scared of the glove.
You? You?
Give him 5. High five.
It's a cold world, isn't it? Cold out there. Give her a little shorty.
So serious.
Have a good day, y'all.
You
Everyone
too.
be good for Mom. It's very important.
Yes. Very, very important. Yes. For my sanity.
The monkey's right there. They're trying to trick us, but thinking that it's brown, but it's actually green.
Uh-huh. I didn't even know you really knew where it was at. I thought you was just playing. Okay, well, we're getting ready to go. Are you happy about it?
But what?
They should say whoever finds the monkey gets $2,000.
Oh, everybody. They would probably have the monkey hidden more hidden in a better,
Underground.
yeah, in a better secure place because they wouldn't. Okay, so we just came from the dentist, and guess what, y'all? Guess what, Malia? Do you have any cavities? Do you have any cavities?
No.
Do you have any cavities?
No.
Maddie, do you have any cavities? Huh?
No.
How about that? Say no, nobody have cavities, and we are so happy. Nobody has to come back and get feelings or get another checkup and cry or any of that. I'm proud. I am a proud mommy. Yes, I am. Now let me find my keys. I couldn't record. Ooh, excuse me. Look at me with my scarf on my head. I didn't feel like wearing my afro out.
I thought you was like,
But I could not record while we were inside of the dentist because they said privacy reasons, no recording or no taking pictures and stuff like that. So now we are getting ready to go to Dollar Tree
why can't we just
and
walk?
get a couple of things.
Yeah,
We could, but
It's exercise. You are talking about exercise.
Madison.
She will like
All right,
it.
well, let's walk. All right, we're going to walk to Dollar Tree.
I can get my stuff in.
Oh. Where's your backpack? Is it in there? Oh, okay. Come here, Madison. You hear those dogs?
It's not it.
It is sunny out here. It's been cloudy all day. Now the sun is finally out. I don't know what angle I'm recording, but they're barking like
I like
dogs.
that chihuahua.
Why are y'all barking like dogs? Come on. Here, give me your hand. Hold on, let's put this bag in the car. Come on, Madison. Dominic, get Madison's hand. So these dogs are barking like crazy. I think they small enough to even jump out of this window they honored and left. Oh, little chihuahua.
Maybe call with your fish eyes.
Okay, come on. Let's walk to Dollar
Mommy
Tree.
had one of those fake eyelashes.
She had on fake eyelashes.
Yeah, they was like big and stuff. I was like,
This
man,
little
you,
girl.
like, you got fish eyes and stuff.
Why did she have on fake eyelashes today?
She said her mama let her put them on.
Her mama doing too much. This little girl's in 3rd grade at his school.
And she,
Yeah.
she said she's going to tell me why she put them on.
And her mother does eyelashes and makeup. She does a fantastic job. But you putting your 3rd grade daughter, 9-year-old, 8-year-old, how old is she? 9-year-old daughter on some eyelashes. Now that is too much. I would never put eyelashes on my child. Malia, you are walking too far.
She said she's going to
Wait.
tell me why.
She gonna tell you why. She did tell you why. She said because her mama let her do it.
No, that wasn't why.
Madison,
Mary said, I already know.
are you having a good walk? What?
Mommy, can babies still get, like her age, can babies like get those silver teeth?
Nah, they don't really put them in baby's mouth.
Ow! Are you trying to?
I haven't seen a baby. I seen a little boy, probably about 4, with a mouthful of silver teeth.
It was like
His mother either be ashamed of herself.
Then she
Come on,
don't
step up, baby.
Then she don't take care of her son's teeth.
No, she don't take care of her son. No, he's a baby. The mother has to take care of it. You right, Maya? The mother is supposed to take care of him.
Take care of the kids. The kids not to take care of the mother.
Yes, you're right about that. Okay, I got a call coming in, so. Maya, I cannot believe she's out there doing this. bad.
They got you to pay. They got you messed up. They wrong for that. They know they wrong.
Why they wrong?
Because for
Madison.
for this pizza doesn't even finish.
It ain't finished. Why is it not finished?
Because it's supposed to be in the oven. They probably don't even have an oven. They just do it at the oven.
They supposed to cook it?
Yes. They just open it. They should probably do like, you should probably, all you need for this pizza, you need to pay for $1. $1.